Record. Yeah. So what is this, guys? So Jira is the ticketing tool. Whatever we discussed in the sprint planning, right? A sprint is nothing but a 15 days. So in the sprint, so every sprint, the 15 days, what we are working on it. For example, I am assigning a task to you guys. So something like I'm assigning task to Pujita and I'm assigning task to Srihita. Okay. So whatever the task, something like how to create Jira is the ticketing tool, guys. How we can track our work. So, for example, in the real time, how we can track our work. So, something like so most of the we have a number of teams, right? Okay, yeah. So this is ticketing tool for Jira ticketing tool for everyone, right? So who are working on the company, guys? Guys. So how many
Uh,
environments we have?
Two
How many?
two
environment.
environments.
Sorry,
Two
Two.
environments.
what are those?
No.
Non-production and production.
Non-production,
And production.
Product.
non-production, and production. Okay. So what are the environments are there in the non-production?
QA testing and developers.
Very so right, copy this image, paste it here. Yes, how we can send this project. Yeah. So what this is, guys? This is the what it is. Jira is a
Ticketing platform.
yes, very good. Jira is a ticketing tool. What this? So Jira is a ticketing tool. For example, so how many of them are working? For example, dev people, QA people, DevOps people, something like networking people, all the teams are working on Jira only. What is that?
Zero.
This is DevOps, QA team. This is dev team, development team. So dev team, and this is networking team, and for example, this is not team, DBA team. So we have a number of teams, guys. Okay. So everyone is using in the company, everyone is using Jira ticketing tool for tracking the changes and what work you have done. Yes, understood.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So for example, DevOps team. So DevOps team having a board. So what is that board, guys? What is the board name? So that the dashboard name for the DevOps is technologies. So I'm creating a board name called as a North Star. What is the, guys? What is the board
North.
name? North Star is the
North
board name.
Star.
Yeah. So North Star is our board name. And so who are working on that DevOps? So for example, four people are working on the DevOps who are Srihita, Pujita, and Diamond, Mahesh. These all are working on the North Star DevOps board, the Jira board. Okay, so we can assign the tickets to. So what is North Star board? That North Star board having the tickets. So North Star board having tickets. So right. So for example, these all are the unassigned tickets. What these tickets? These all are the unassigned tickets. So check the board and you can assign it to unassigned tickets. Okay, tickets are requests. So for example, dev 234. Okay, dev 5C45 or something like. So this ticket is for access. This ticket is for something like a pipeline creation. This ticket is for the alert monitoring, right? So you guys can assign. So you can check the board and you guys can assign the tickets. And you guys can work on this tickets. Guys, have you understood? So what is Jira? Guys, what is Jira? So Jira is the popular ticketing and project management tool developed by who is developed, guys? Atlassian company. So who developed this, guys? Which company is developed?
Acclaration company.
Very good. Atlassian company. So Atlassian company build this Jira ticketing tool. So the same way, so Atlassian company having two products. They created two products. So one is ticketing tool, Jira ticketing tool, and the other one is Bitbucket Git repo. So what is that, guys? Jira,
Ticketing tool.
Jira ticketing tool, and
Bitbucket.
Bitbucket. So this is the Git repository. What is that? So Atlassian company created two products. One is Jira ticketing tool and so Bitbucket. Okay. So what is that? Jira is the popular ticketing and project management tool developed by Atlassian, widely used in software development, IT operations, and the DevOps environments to track tasks, bugs, incidents, and the project process. Guys, understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is the task, right, guys? So the task is you guys can search in the YouTube what is Jira ticketing tool, how they are using in the DevOps. You guys check it that one. Okay.
Okay.
Now you got the clarity about ticketing tool, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. Jira ticketing tool. So what is the task to you guys? Create a task. For example, task only. Okay. What is the summary? Summary is, guys, tell me. Please explore on the Jira ticketing tool the the sprint dashboard. BORDs dashboards. Okay. Select the component. So what is that, guys? Feature services, data cloud storage services. Okay. Select due date. Don't need to get the due date. Blocks automatic assign to, for example, Blue Technologies. Okay, create. So, right? View. What is guys? This is the B2. So B2 is nothing but a please explore on the Jira ticketing tool and the sprint dashboards. So on the comments, right? So for example, on the comments, get a comment, reply to the customer or something like add the comment, something like I have checked in the YouTube and found it one video on that is very helpful. It is very highly helpful. Something like you can post it that so that video and save it. Okay. Jira 15. Is it right? Jira complete tutorial for beginners from Telugu or something like Jira introduction or Jira tutorial for Jira tutorial for beginners and Jira tutorial for so this one you guys can check it. Okay. So for example, you can take this one. Right. You can paste it and save it. So who assigned this one assigned by the, for example, this one assigned by the Srihita. Okay, I will create this, no worries. Okay, Srihita. So what is that? So working in progress. So once this is done, right? Start process. Yeah, work in progress. So after learning this Jira ticketing tool, you guys can mark it as a done. Once that is completed, mark it as a done. Okay, guys understood? Guys, you there? Hello.
Sorry, I was on unmute.
Sorry.
Yeah, understood?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, thank you guys. Okay, you guys can explore on the Jira ticketing tool. Okay. So what is Jira, guys? Jira is a
Getting tool.
popular ticketing tool and project management tool developed by who is Atlassian,
Yes.
Atlassian widely used in software, widely used in software development, IT operations, IT operations, and DevOps environments, track tasks, bugs, incidents, and progress. Project progress. Okay. So what is Jira? So what is Jira, guys? So Jira is a workflow management tool or a ticketing management tool. Okay. So that helps teams plan, track, and manage work. Right, guys? Jira is a workflow management tool. Jira is a workflow management tool that helps pl- plan and
Right.
manage. Yeah, plan, track, and manage work. So plan is work, whether it's software development, issue tracking, or project management. Project management, right? So, so what is a Jira ticket? Something like so what it will get. Jira ticket represents a single piece of work. Jira ticket is a Jira ticket represents a single piece of work. Okay. For example, what is that, guys? For example, it may be a bug or a future or a task or a service. Okay, a bug, feature, or a task or a service. So, what is a bug? If it is a bug, need to fix it, right? Bug is nothing but a issue. What is a feature? So, feature that needs to develop, that need to be developed. Okay, what is a task? Task assigned to a developer or a operational engineer. Developer or devops or QA guy. QA key. Okay. So what is a service? A service request from a user. For example, on need access on CentOS 9 Linux machine. So need a access to developer on CentOS machine. What this is? This is a request. This is the task. This is a feature. This is a bug. You guys understood,
Yes, sir.
right? So each ticket contains what it contains. It contains a summary or a title of the issue, description. So what is this? This is the description. Here you need to add the description. Okay. So in the description we can use access criteria, or something like yeah. So what we can say, right? So in the description we can give the all the description details, and in the comments. So summary. So summary is nothing but a title, a description, and assignee, whom to assignee, and the status. What is the status? Okay. So what is the status and priority? It will be a low priority, medium priority. Okay. And the comments and attachments. So we can create the comments as well as attachments also. Guys understood? So this is nothing but a ticket, a Jira ticket. Guys understood?
Yeah.
Okay. One second. So Jira is a very simple, guys. You guys can really understand. So when we join the company, you will get the tickets and everything. They will create. So they will give the access to you guys, and you need to know about the Okta. So what is Okta? Okta app. Yeah, you guys able to see that this, right? Okta app. What is Okta app? In Okta, so something like in our company having multiple applications. So multiple applications need to log in, right? So they create a one application. So they create a one account. So for example, this is the Okta account. What that is, guys? Okta. Hmm. So for example, this is the Okta, guys. So in our company having multiple accounts need to log in. So right. So once it once you connected to the Okta, once you log into the Okta, so whatever the apps are there, right? We can log in easily. So this is the solution for connecting the multiple apps with one application. So multiple for one applications. What is that? Okta. So what is that? Something like bluejay.okta dot com. So in this bluejay.okta.com, so if you connect to this, right, it will asking the username password. Once you connect to the okta.com, so you can directly access any website, any application. If you click Gmail, right, it will automatically open. If it is Slack, it will automatically open. If it is Zoom, it will automatically open without asking the username password. So this is nothing but a Okta. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is that? Okta is a cloud-based identity access management performed to use the companies to securely manage employees and user logins to different applications and systems. So think of Okta as a digital security gatekeeper. It ensures that only the right people can access to the right application at the right time. Understood, guys?
Yes.
So what are the features? They have a single SSO sign-on, and so we can MFA multi-factor authentication enable, lifecycle management integration with 700 plus apps we can integrate with something like your AWS, Microsoft, Zoom, Jira, Salesforce, GitHub. So everything will be integrated with Okta works seamlessly with most enterprise apps like yes, understood.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. So now you understood the Jira and the Okta, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is the task, guys? The task is you guys can explore the task one, explore Jira ticketing tool, and task two, explore the Okta, Okta app. You guys understood? So these are the two tasks for you guys. Okay. So guys, have you done your task last week tasks? You guys watch the recordings again and again. I will get the analysis also, guys. So I will show you that thing. If you guys are watched or not, I'm seeing you the analysis. So what is the playlist? Dashboard content, the playlist. Yeah, this is the. So I will see the analysis report, guys. So something like how many people are accessed, so how they can watch, they are watching or not, something like. So you guys are watching. Playlist watch 3 hours, 3.3 hours only. So what is that? 48 hours. So how many of them are watched these guys? So if I see everything, so I will get the analysis. Yes, understood?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yep, guys. Yeah. So where we are? So in the last class, so we discussed about the grep. So what is grep, guys? What is
It
grep?
is used to search
Hmm?
string.
What is grep, guys?
It is used to find any word or string from the document or any file.
Very good. Very good. So what is the syntax, guys?
It's grep
Hmm.
Great.
hyphen I
Hmm. What is
then
hyphen I?
It's a case sensitive.
Sensitive. Case
Case
sensitive.
sensitive. Very good. So what is case sensitive?
Mixing of all alphabets or
Very good. Nice. Yeah. So grep hyphen I.
string
Hmm. For
and the file.
example, error is the string.
Yeah, file
Okay.
name.
Yeah. Where
File
exactly?
name.
Yes. Very good.
Value.
Nice. Nice. So what is the difference between? What is the diff between less and more, guys? So what is the diff between less and more?
It is same. Less is nothing but more is nothing but less, and it will show a percentage value in more.
Okay. You can see the page how much percentage it is completed or not. So the both are same. It will see the page by page or a line by line, but the difference between less and more. So less will not see the percentage, but more will see the percentage how
Percentage.
much. Yeah. So how much is completed? So how many pages are reviewed? Right. The percentage we will see it. Understood? So what is the
Yeah,
diff between a tail and more? Sorry, head and tail.
it will show the first 10 lines of the file.
Head is nothing but a top. Tail is
Top
nothing
and
but
bottom.
bottom. You guys remember this way? It will be very easy. Okay. So top 10 lines. Bottom
10 lines.
is very nice. Okay. So what is VA VAM?
It is
Create, modify, and read.
Hmm. So it will create
For that, we
will create a
create,
file, modify
modify,
a file or
and
hmm,
to read the file.
file.
create, modify, read the files. Okay. Nice guys. Nice, very good. So file system hierarchy and that Linux architecture, you guys are understood very well, right?
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
Yes, right?
yeah.
yes.
Mm. So what else pending, guys?
Hari, in the previous video, you didn't
Mm.
had this
Mm,
more
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah. So what we forgot is after a Zoom meeting close and reopen, right? That time I forgot to record the video. Okay. So you guys, what you can do is you guys can go into playlist 54 on videos. Oh, some videos are not added out. Oh, I will check. I will check that video and I will ping you in the chat, guys. Okay. Mostly it will be there in the
okay.
on any playlist. 57, 58, 56, 54, 53. Any playlist it will give. So it will see it, but I will check it and I will ping you. Huh? 52
Okay.
batch. Okay. Yeah, please. So what we discussed up to grep, right? Yesterday, the previous class.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So one second. We are grep, right? The next command will discuss about the find. What is the command, guys? So find
Find
command. So what is a find? I already told you, right? So grep is only for the searching on
string
the
document.
document, right? So find. So find is used to search the files directories in a in a directory hierarchy based on the various criteria such as name. I want to search as a name. I want to search as a size. I want to search as a modification time and more. But the grep is only for the string. We can search it in a file, right, guys. It is used to search for files. So it will be grep is only for guys. What is grep? Grep is only for to search a given string from the document or a file. But I want to I want to find the file. I want to find the directory. So for example, so we have a number of directories in one directory. I want to find out a one directory. So how you can find it? So I want to search a file. Something like a thousands of files are there. I want to search the file. Now you got it, guys. What is the difference between search and find?
Yeah.
That grep and find. So it is used to search the files, directories, directories in a directory hierarchy. Okay, guys, in a hierarchy based on various criteria, such as such as name. I want to search as a name, as a file or a directory, or size, modification time. I want to search it and more. Yes, understood? So it is used to search a file or a directory. So for example, so in this, right, for example, Zoom having the number of folders. I want to search one folder. I want to search one file. How you can search it by using? So in Windows, so that we can search it directly, something like here. So it will be very easy to search the file or directory. But in the but in the Linux, so how we can search? We can search through commands only. It is used to search a file or a directory in a directory hierarchy based on the various criteria such as name. So it will be through name or a size or a modification time or more. Is understood? So find the files by name. How to find the files by name? What is that? What is that, guys? Find. I want to find the file on the bar hyphen name. So the string equal to messages. So what is the file I want to search, guys? Messages file. In the which directory? In the which directory, guys?
Where?
Where
Where?
directory? Very good. So did you guys install the Linux?
Yes.
Yes. Srihita? Done now?
Yes. Ah, done.
Done, right. So I got that from Chekri. So you are logging through whatever I gave in the putty, right? The IP address, whatever the
Yes.
IP address I'm using, the same IP address you are trying to connect it.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Later,
You got
I
that
got
one.
to know.
Hmm.
Yes. IP
Root,
space a command we have to
Red
use
Hat.
and we have to check.
Yes. So what is the username, guys?
Red Hat.
Red Hat. Shit. Root.
Red hat password.
Yeah. So after you gave the correct password, so it is a last failed login Monday, something like. So there were two failed logins attempts since the last successful login. You see, if you fail, right, that it will be shown on the screen. Guys, what this is? This is called as a
User prompt.
very good, very good. Guys, you are on the track. How do you find out a IP address of your IP address of your system? What is the command?
So I
IP space A. IP A means IP Internet Protocol. A means address. It will get the IP address. So these are the
Address.
number of IP addresses it is getting, right? What these are? I will tell you, no worries. Guys, what you can do? 192.168.56. Whatever the 56 is there, right? You guys can take that 56. 192.168.56.118. Understood?
yes, yes.
Yeah, so that is the my IP address. So I want to this where the server is. You guys can remember Pujita, the server is in India.
Yeah.
Srihita, the server is in US. How you can connect this server by
SSH.
using
Through the software
IP
put.
address through SSH. 192.168.56.118 is my server IP address. So go to appearance, change, bold to 18, okay, open, okay. So what is that? Root, red hat.
Red Hat.
Okay, yes, understood? Yeah. So what is that?
Yes.
Find the files by name. How to find the files by name? Find
Fine.
where. Where you are searching in the, you are searching under the where directory. So
Well,
what you are searching? Hyphen name,
messages.
messages file, the file name. Hyphen name, unknown predictor. Yeah. So not hyphen, it's only hyphen. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So find where hyphen name. So messages. Right. So now you understood how to find a file by using name. Right. So find all something like what is that? Find all dot log files. So you searched only the one file. Now you are searching the dot log,
Log
star
file.
dot something like after log, right? What are the files are they dot log? So it will get it. Understood? So something like
Yes.
what is the command, guys? Find
Fine.
where
Slash.
slash log. I'm searching in
Slash.
the this directory. Hyphen type. What is a type? Type is a file. Okay. So type is a file. Hyphen name. What is that? Star dot log. Okay. You are searching star dot log. Let me check it. Yeah. So star means everything. So before the star, before the dot, everything it will be displaying. Everything it will be displaying. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
You will get the
Yes.
you will get the all the files. You will get the all the files. Understood? Nice. Very good. Completed. Huh? So what is the next, guys? Next command is so find the directories. What is that? Find the directories. Now you understand how to find the file. Then find directories named as. So what is that? We can find Haria named as Haria. What is the command? Find. So where you need to search it in the slash directory hyphen type. Guys, type is file or directory. Guys, so here we searched only file. This is nothing but a file. So how you can search? The type is file. I want to search directory. What is the type, guys? Type is D,
I,
directory. Hyphen name. What is the name? Name is something like Hari. You can check it. Hari. Okay, let's see. Okay. So how many Haris are there? So slash home Hari is there. Slash root
Yeah.
Hari is there. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Very good. Now we understood the file and directory. So next, whatever the files we have, find write those files. Need to copy it and and another file. right? So what is that? Whatever the files we have find and we have to find it. We have to find it and need to add those files in new text file. New text file. So how to do it, guys? So find slash hyphen type the directory hyphen name hurry and write it under the mm, backup.txt, for example. So whatever we found, right? So we need to copy these two lines in a new file, new text file. This is the command, guys. The command is same command, you can use it and
Backup.
enter the backup.txt. Okay, ls that backup.txt is created. Cat backup.txt. Okay, so what this is, guys? Do you understood? I want to find out that and create in a text file, add it in the text file. You guys understood?
Yeah.
You guys understood?
Yeah. Understood.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So we want to find the data and copy it in a text file, whatever we found it. You guys understood? So today we discussed only
Fine.
file command. Okay. So from next week, what we will discuss? Tomorrow we'll discuss about the
File
again
handling.
file and their handling tools. Mostly we'll complete tomorrow, guys. Okay. Mostly we'll
Yeah.
complete the commands tomorrow. So we have a copy, move, remove, and so there. So
In
we can
last
complete
class.
it. Most probably we can complete it in tomorrow, guys. Okay.
Yeah. In last class, you also mentioned you are going to discuss about user administration for next class.
The next class is after completing the file and directory handling. The next class is user administration.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
after completion tomorrow, if it is completed, so we'll start the user administration. So user administration and file formation. Next, user administration, file formations, disk management, and package management. Okay, so we'll wind up the Linux. So we'll start the cloud. Okay.
Okay.
So in the cloud, in between the cloud, so we'll discuss about the DevOps tools. Okay, you will understand, guys. You will understand more. So once you got these right, user administration, file formation, disk management, and package management, the same way cloud also will be there. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you, guys. We'll continue from tomorrow.